The STI has been great the last couple of weeks. No faults, no issues. Although, tyres have been something this car desperately needed, so I fitted a new set of Falcon FK 520s, the newest performance tyre. And these compete with the Michelin Pilot Sport 4s, a really well-known tyre, and they're a much cheaper option. I thought now was a good time to do this while I'm still trying to decide what route I want to go with the car next, whether that be bigger turbo and performance mods, or just take a step back and focus on making the car look a bit more appealing. Also, with the new motor, I've done 8,000 kilometers, so it's time for a service. I'm going to be using Subaru's service kit, which comes with an oil filter, injector cleaner and upper cylinder cleaner. So first, I'm going to start with the upper engine cleaner. We're just going to spray this into a vacuum line that goes into the intake. You can also just spray it straight through the vacuum hose that connects to the bypass valve. Now we just let it sit for 5 minutes and then start her up and watch all that carbon build up come straight out of the exhaust. Time for the injector cleaner. Just make sure you have a full tank of fuel so it dilutes properly. This only takes about 5 seconds, just pour it straight in. Now Subaru actually recommends doing this every 6,000 Ks. Time for the oil change, and thank God I was wearing gloves. Filter goes in hand tight and torque the sump bolt to 30 foot-pounds. While we're on the topic of maintenance, this is my daily and currently having some power steering issues. If I start it up. So clearly that's a power steering issue. I don't know if it's the pump, if it's a leak. So here we have everything to hopefully try fix that problem. This is a power steering pump out of a 07 Forester, which is literally the same pump. We have fluids, and then I have some new genuine hoses and some new seals. So you might learn a thing or two in this video as we try to fix this power steering issue. So when I start it, the fluid in the reservoir starts bubbling, which indicates that air is getting into the system somewhere. My guess is this hose here. It's old, brittle, it's rock solid, so we're going to be replacing this hose, which I believe is the return, or the feed, one or the other. And then there's also a rubber seal in here, which I'm going to show you guys, that can also go bad. So we're going to replace that, replace the whole pump as well, and hopefully that fixes it. The car's actually had this issue for like a week now, and I told myself I'm not buying any more mods for the STI that I do want to buy until I get this sorted, because this is my daily. I need this car to be working, so let's get this power steering system fixed. So far, no noises at all. So we don't know what it was, if it was the pump or if it was just a seal, or if it was just the fluid that needed to be replaced. But now there is so much coolant and power steering fluid all in my engine bay. So I'm gonna drive it up the top, degrease the whole engine bay,